What's up everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up your TikTok shop warehouse / pickup address. And yeah, let's get right into it. First and foremost, TikTok shop is a new service which allows you to make purchases through TikTok, or not even make purchases. You can also sell your own merch or any other products that you might have, and it is a replacement for the TikTok storefront which existed up until recently, since that was with a partnership with Shopify, and that partnership has come to an end. So now TikTok shop is taking its place. It is currently, I think, available in 8 regions around the world, including the Americas, I think both North and South, parts of Europe such as the United Kingdom, and parts of Eastern and Southeastern Asia, including Indonesia as an example. But yeah, the warehouse address is needed to be set up so that whoever is transporting your goods knows where to go, where to access the merch, and then take that merch to people who have ordered it. Now, the way you do this is go to your TikTok shop dashboard. As you can see here, this is a printful article I'm using since TikTok shop is not available in my region. But yeah, just go to your dashboard, go into my account here on the left hand side, then you want to go into account settings, and once you get this menu that's popping up here, you want to go into warehouse settings. Now that you are here, you have the ability to set up a pickup and return warehouse, and here you can have I think a few warehouses, I don't know the exact number, and you can add them by clicking the add warehouse button. And another option is, once you've created a warehouse, you need to have your default warehouse and your return warehouse, and once you've set it up, you can click the edit button, which you can see here. Let me just zoom it in a bit if it allows me. Yep, it does. As you can see here, the edit button is available for you to edit your information. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. There's nothing more I can add. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.